The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Natural remedies and holistic practices can complement traditional healthcare, but aren't guaranteed cures or treatments. Use this information responsibly and make informed decisions about your well-being. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. It supports bone strength, boosts the immune system, and even enhances mood. Despite its importance, many people overlook the timing of their vitamin D intake, which can significantly impact its effectiveness. In this video, we will explore the worst times to take your vitamin D supplements, ensuring you get the most out of this essential nutrient. Understanding when to take vitamin D is vital for maximizing its benefits. Taking it at the wrong time can hinder absorption and reduce its positive effects on your body. By identifying these less-than-ideal moments, you can optimize your supplementation routine and enhance your health outcomes. Join us as we delve into the science behind vitamin D absorption and the best practices for timing your intake. With the right knowledge, you can ensure that your body receives the full advantages of vitamin D, leading to improved energy levels, better immune function, and overall well-being. Stay tuned to learn how to make the most of your vitamin D supplementation. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Join our vibrant community and dive into a world of health and vitality. Your next favorite video is just a click away. Let's explore it together. Please make sure to listen until the end. We saved the best part of this video for last, so that you won't forget any of the most important details that we shared with you. Now let's dive in. Step 1. The impact of timing on vitamin D. Absorption timing plays a significant role in how effectively your body absorbs vitamin D. This essential nutrient is fat-soluble, meaning it is best absorbed when taken with healthy fats. Consuming vitamin D alongside meals that contain fats can enhance its absorption, making it more beneficial for your health. Additionally, the time of day can influence vitamin D synthesis. Our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, particularly during midday when the sun is at its peak. This natural process underscores the importance of getting outside and soaking up some rays, especially in the warmer months. Consistency and timing is also crucial for optimal health benefits. Taking your vitamin D supplement at the same time each day helps maintain steady levels in your bloodstream, ensuring your body receives a continuous supply of this vital nutrient. By understanding the impact of timing on vitamin D absorption, you can make informed choices that enhance your overall well-being. Prioritizing the right timing and pairing your supplements with healthy fats can lead to improved health outcomes and a stronger immune system. Step 2. Identify the worst times to take vitamin D. Supplements. Knowing when not to take your vitamin D supplements is just as important as understanding the best practices. One of the worst times to take vitamin D is on an empty stomach. Without food, especially healthy fats, the absorption of this vital nutrient can be significantly hindered, reducing its effectiveness in your body. Another critical time to avoid is late at night. Taking vitamin D supplements before bed may disrupt your sleep patterns. Since vitamin D can influence your body's circadian rhythm, consuming it too close to bedtime might lead to difficulties falling asleep or staying asleep. Additionally, it's essential to consider interactions with certain medications. Some drugs, particularly those that affect fat absorption or cholesterol levels, can interfere with how your body processes vitamin D. Taking your supplements alongside these medications may diminish their benefits and lead to suboptimal health outcomes. By being aware of these unfavorable times for vitamin D intake, you can make informed decisions that enhance your absorption and overall health. Prioritizing the right timing will help you maximize the benefits of this essential nutrient. Step 3. The importance of food. Pairing with vitamin D. Your vitamin D supplements with the right foods can significantly enhance absorption and maximize health benefits. Foods rich in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are excellent choices to consume alongside your vitamin D. These fats help facilitate the absorption of this fat-soluble vitamin, ensuring your body can utilize it effectively. However, it's essential to be mindful of high-fiber foods, which can sometimes interfere with vitamin D absorption. While fiber is crucial for digestive health, Consuming large amounts of high-fiber foods, like whole grains and legumes, at the same time as your vitamin D supplement may hinder its effectiveness. To optimize your vitamin D intake, consider meal timing when taking your supplements. Aim to consume your vitamin D with a meal that includes healthy fats, ideally during breakfast or lunch, when your body is better prepared to absorb nutrients. By being strategic about food pairing and timing, you can enhance the benefits of your vitamin D supplementation, supporting your overall health and well-being. Making these small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in how your body utilizes this essential nutrient. Step 4. Seasonal variations in vitamin D. Intake seasonal variations can significantly impact your vitamin D intake and absorption. During the winter months, many people experience reduced sunlight exposure, which can lead to lower natural vitamin D synthesis in the skin. As a result, it may be necessary to adjust the timing and dosage of your vitamin D supplements during this season to ensure adequate levels. Geographic location also plays a crucial role in determining how much vitamin D you can naturally obtain from sunlight. Those living in northern latitudes or areas with long winters may find it particularly challenging to get enough vitamin D from sunlight alone. In such cases, increasing your supplement intake during these months can help maintain optimal levels. It's essential to monitor your vitamin D levels seasonally, especially if you live in regions with significant seasonal changes. Regular testing can provide valuable insights into your vitamin D status, allowing you to make informed decisions about supplementation. By being proactive and adjusting your intake based on seasonal variations, you can support your health year-round and ensure your body receives the vitamin D it needs to thrive. Step 5. The role of lifestyle factors in vitamin D. Timing lifestyle factors play a significant role in how effectively your body metabolizes vitamin D. Stress, for instance, can impact your overall health and may interfere with vitamin D metabolism. High stress levels can lead to hormonal changes that affect nutrient absorption, making it essential to manage stress for optimal vitamin D utilization. Sleep patterns also influence vitamin D levels. Poor sleep can disrupt the body's natural rhythms, potentially affecting how vitamin D is processed. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule can help improve your overall health and support better vitamin D metabolism. To maximize the benefits of your vitamin D supplementation, it's crucial to establish a routine for taking your supplements. Consistency and timing can help maintain stable levels in your body, enhancing the nutrient's effectiveness. Additionally, consulting with healthcare providers for personalized advice is vital. They can help assess your individual needs based on your lifestyle, health status, and specific circumstances. By considering these lifestyle factors and seeking professional guidance, you can optimize your vitamin D intake and support your overall well-being effectively. Step 6. Tips for remembering to take vitamin D at the right time. Remembering to take your vitamin D supplements at the right time can be challenging, but there are several effective strategies to help you stay on track. One of the simplest methods is to set reminders on your smartphone or calendar. By scheduling alerts, you can ensure that you never miss a dose, making it easier to incorporate vitamin D into your daily routine. Another effective approach is to pair your vitamin D intake with a daily habit, such as breakfast. By linking your supplement to a consistent activity, you create a natural reminder that helps you remember to take it regularly. This can also enhance absorption when taken with a meal that includes healthy fats. Using pill organizers can also be a game changer for maintaining consistency. These handy tools allow you to pre-sort your supplements for the week, making it easy to see if you've taken your vitamin D. By implementing these tips, you can simplify your routine and ensure that you're getting the most out of your vitamin D supplementation, ultimately supporting your health and well-being. In this video, we explored the critical importance of taking vitamin D at optimal times to enhance absorption and maximize its health benefits. We discussed how pairing vitamin D with healthy fats, avoiding consumption on an empty stomach, and being mindful of seasonal variations can significantly impact its effectiveness. We also highlighted the role of lifestyle factors such as stress and sleep patterns in vitamin D metabolism, emphasizing the need for a consistent routine. By implementing the tips shared, such as setting reminders, pairing your intake with daily habits, and using pill organizers, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of your vitamin D supplementation. As you take these steps to optimize your vitamin D intake, Remember that small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of proper vitamin D timing and support better health for everyone. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable health tips.